How to fix blue tint on your LG TV. Step 1. Check the picture settings. Press settings on your LG remote and go to all settings and then picture. Try switching the picture mode to standard, then check color temperature. If it's set toward cool, switch it toward a warmer/natural setting. A cool color temperature can make the picture appear noticeably bluer. Step 2. Run a picture test. This is the most important test. On newer LG TVs, go to the settings, all settings, support, and then screen self-diagnosis. On some older models, you go to the settings, all settings, support, additional settings, and then picture test. What the results mean. If the picture test looks normal, the TV itself is probably okay. Move on to the HDMI/source check. Picture test is also blue. This means LG says there may be a problem with the TV itself and you should contact LG support service. Step 3. Reconnect the HDMI cable. If the picture test looks normal, the problem may be coming from your cable box, streaming device, console, or HDMI cable. Turn off both devices, unplug the HDMI cable from the TV, then plug it back in. Step 4. Try another HDMI port or cable. Move the device to a different HDMI input on the TV. If the blue tint remains, try another HDMI cable. If another device works normally on the same TV, the original device or cable is likely the problem. Step 5. If it's still blue. If the TV menus and picture test are both blue, changing HDMI cables won't fix the problem. LG's troubleshooting guidance says an abnormal picture test can indicate a problem with the TV itself and recommends contacting LG support. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.